Hey there, TRASTRA fans. Welcome back to our Friday coffee break. Everybody loved this rubric. I really enjoyed producing it for you, so we figured, hey, let's make it a permanent thing. So in today's video, actually, there's some important news because I definitely wanted to show you the crypto newsreel, even though it's already a little old. I mean, it's a newscast, so 3-4 days later, it's already old news. But I also have something. We produced a video about a SEPA withdrawal, and I'm sure you already received an email or an SMS or some other notice from our team about this very exciting feature finally being implemented on TRASTRA. But I'll repeat myself and just tell you that this thing is already active, and pretty much every TRASTRA member, every TRASTRA user, every member of our community is already able to withdraw euros from their euro account on TRASTRA and transact it out of their account anywhere throughout the SEPA single euro payment area. So that's one thing, but that's one thing that's really important, I think, today. In fact, again, this is why I'm calling out to you guys, is that we've replaced some of the links to our social media channels. And since our social media channels are mentioned pretty much in every communique from our team, and I don't think we have I know for a fact that we don't have physical capacity to replace every single social link out there. I wanted to point out that, let's see, for our Twitter, for our Facebook, and our Instagram are different. And the description for the last video, the episode 11 of Newsreel, contains the right links. I'm going to leave those links in the description in this video, and you'll probably, if you follow us on social media, which I wish you would, you will see the notice about this news that I think is important for everyone, every TRASTRA community member. Also, we actually have this thing I wanted to, this is good for the weekend. You guys can try it. The rewards are not substantial, but it's kind of fun to try it out. Let me show you what I mean. We've come up with this internet game. So it's a social media thing. Whoever's involved the deepest is going to get the most rewards. But the reward's only €5 worth of Bitcoin. But right now it's not about money. Right now it's about trying it out. So let me just go ahead and show you how this works. You have 4 days left. So it's basically your weekend and some more time later on in the week. You can try this thing, but you go to this link right here. I'm gonna drop the link in the description for you. And basically, what you do is you just log on there. There's some. There are my logins right there. Let's see, 87. Well, I wish. Let's do this and hit notify me if. Notify me of other TRASTRA competitions. Optional, absolutely. If I were you, I'd definitely tick that box, because we're gonna run tons of those, and you will have more chances to win more money, more take possession of more digital assets, etc., etc. So I would definitely tick that box and like us on social, because again, we're gonna try to repeat this thing as much as possible. So this competition is gonna be fun. So anyway, click continue, and you have this. This thing right here, that for pretty much any action that's on the list, you take credit, and the more credits you gather, the more chances you got to win the reward. Again, in this particular case, the reward is not very substantial. It's only €5 worth of BTC, but we're just basically testing waters right now and see what kind of return we get. Right now, we don't have a whole lot of users. We just put this thing out, I think, a few hours ago, but it's already on. It's already active. So I encourage you to participate and see if you can. For example, this is the most credits you get for sharing TRASTRA.com in your blog or on your website. You get 4 points for that. There's some other fairly simple actions. You probably do something like that for other people, for yourself, for your friends, like 10 times a day. So I don't think that should be a problem for you to follow TRASTRA on Twitter. You get 1 point for that, or retweet TRASTRA official some of our tweets through Twitter. So for that, you get 2 points, etc., etc. So go ahead and play with this. Try it out. See if you like it. And most importantly, like I said, I keep repeating myself, but it is important for us that you give us as much feedback as possible, because without that, we have no idea what you guys want. What can we do for you? And this is it. Enjoy your weekend. Hopefully you will like the game that we've created for you. Tick the box to get notified about our future projects on that same platform, because there's going to be a lot. And again, give us as much feedback as possible. Like us and like our content, share it, follow us on social media, and I will see you Monday when I release the episode 12 of our TRASTRA Crypto Newsreel. Peace.